Hello, my name is Julia Woning. I'm an artist and illustrator from the Netherlands, and today I can introduce to you my newest book, Workshop PanPastel. I will guide you from start to finish and during every step of the process. It all starts with the right materials, PanPastel Colors, soft tools, working surface and technique. I will show you how to use certain techniques and the right color palette to create the most beautiful coloring pages, drawings and work of art. There is a perfect balance between instructions pages along with inspiring examples and spaces to practice your skills. There is a starter set by Julia Woning, the PanPastel book and the basic 10 pen pastels with soft tools and sponges. Or you can buy them separately. The products will be available in stores near you where you can buy your pen pastels. Bye!